Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer granola. I'll be using my DeLonghi Multifry. I normally make my granola in my Breville oven, but I have to sit and babysit it and stir it to keep it from burning. So I said, hey, why don't I let this air fryer stir it for me? So let's try it out. I've got 2 cups of granola, 3/4 cups of pecans, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and some vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, and there's cinnamon too. I just forgot to add it in the bowl. So I mixed all those things up. I put it in the fryer. Now what's cool about this, I told you guys it has the heating element on the bottom, so it's going to cook from the top and the bottom and stir it for me. So super awesome. I set it to cook on level 2 and I made sure the bottom heating element was on, and look, it's doing all the work for me. So after 10 minutes I added in some dried cherries and I increased the heating element, the top heating element, to level 3, and I cooked for 1 more minute, and then my granola was done. So 11 minutes my granola was cooked perfectly. I removed the insert from the fryer and I let it cool for about 15 minutes, and it was nice and crunchy and delicious. So I'm totally in love, and this is how I'll be making my granola from now on. So I made some oatmeal in my pressure cooker, and when it was finished I topped it with my homemade granola. I'll put a link to my previous granola video and my oatmeal video in the description box. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.